government officials, distinguished guests, I take this opportunity to welcome my brother, Your Excellency, and your delegation to Kenya. On behalf of the government and people of Kenya, please, by all means, feel at home while you are away from Singapore. Your Excellency, I know that COVID-19 delayed your visit to Kenya as originally scheduled, but I thank you for making this very first visit to Kenya. Kenya is happy and proud to host you, and your presence is a strong gesture of the friendship between our two people and Kenya and Singapore. The Prime Minister and I have had a fruitful engagement during which we discussed how we can work together with Singapore to develop a mutually beneficial strategic partnership in a dynamic and very competitive global marketplace. We have agreed to develop a long-term strategic partnership between our two countries anchored on many sectors of our mutually beneficial relationship. We have discussed the potential of the Nairobi International Financial Center serving sub-Saharan Africa, particularly Eastern and Central Africa region, especially on matters green financing, and Singapore's successful experience and best practices is an asset to us on this particular venture. I have noted also that Enterprise Singapore has already opened offices in Nairobi, and I have committed to Prime Minister that the government of Kenya is going to work with Enterprise Singapore to make sure that they have what it takes to build the necessary networks and partnerships between private sector companies in Kenya, private sector companies in Singapore, and to ensure that we exploit the full potential of trade, business, and investment between our two countries. Digitization of the economy and government services in all sectors is an enabler for our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. We want to run an efficient and paperless economy and society. A collaboration between Kenya and Singapore, who have a history of innovation, is key, hence the inclusion of the ICT sector in our strategic partnership between our two countries.